Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. I want to welcome you out here to my test plot. Turf type tall fescue. Bunch of turf type tall fescue over here. Look how green that ryegrass is in the middle of June, right? And then this right here is Kentucky bluegrass. Got July 4th coming up, so I want to really pump up the color. Not really concerned about the growth of the turf. It's still growing a little bit just because the ground's healthy. But what I do want to do is darken this up a little bit for the holiday. And I want to see just how dark this bluegrass will get, okay? So we finally got the Protein 600 in stock, and you know it's got that big old fat 14% iron. 14%. Boy, it's like doing that. You know, iron's really important in plants as far as moving oxygen throughout the plant. It's also important in the chlorophyll process. That's where the green color of the plant comes from. So naturally, if we give it a little extra iron, most of the time you get a little extra color, right? Won't burn. I'm not worried about burning any of this turf right here. It's a super safe, real slow release product. It's not a ton of nitrogen, only 6%. You know, because I'm not looking for a tremendous amount of growth right here. I'm strictly going after the color. 14%. One of the coolest things about the Protein, it's completely safe for any grass type. Right here I got all turf type tall fescue. I got ryegrass right here. And then I got that Kentucky blue. Look at that right there, boy. Boy, I cannot wait to turn all that right there into Kentucky blue. So it don't matter if you got Zoysia, Bermuda, St. Augustine centipede, any of them. It is going to make that grass super dark green. So spreading fertilizer is easy. If your first time doing this, attempting this, trying this, let me help you. From that fence down, straight across in front of my building, and straight across up here where my fescue butts up against the bluegrass, up to here. This is roughly a 2,000 square foot area. I'm applying this at 6 pounds per 1,000. You can go at 3 pounds if you want, but I'm gonna go the full rate at 6 pounds. Little tiny prills, super easy to spread. Let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's roughly 7 foot from the center of the spreader over to the edge of the grass. So that means I can get roughly 14-foot spread coverage with the speed that I walk. So what I'm gonna do is edge out, meaning I'm gonna run right down through here, catch this whole section. I'll have a 14-foot wide area right here that's done. I'll go down the fence line, come up in front of the building, and then come right down this line. So once I do that, I'll have a 14-foot band that goes all the way around the 2,000 square feet. So if I'm on my outside band pass, I like to call it a trim pass, and I'm coming up through here, I'm gonna cut the spreader off when I hit my other band going this way or my other trim this way. So I don't wanna super overlap it. Super overlap it. I guess we can go with that. And when I get up here, I'm gonna turn the spreader around, and I'm gonna line myself up in such a way so that when I come down through here and I'm spreading my material, I want it to come back and meet my previous tire tracks. And then all I'm gonna do is repeat that all the way across, and I'm done. So I'm gonna get out here and do the rest of the test plot. Just got done doing my yard. I want the whole thing green as a gourd. That way she'll be rocking and rolling for July 4th. The spreader and the Protein, I'll link them up in the description below. You can check it out if you want to. As always, I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch. I'll check you later.